What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a tour all around Bend, Oregon and what it's like to live here. I'm going to take you through downtown Bend, the old mill district, and a bunch of other spots you're going to want to check out. So make sure you stay tuned because this is going to be an amazing video. This is Brett Williams with the Real Agent Now group, serving the Portland and Bend metro areas. And thank you so much for watching this video today. If this is your first time to this channel, all we do is inform you on all around Portland, Oregon and Bend, Oregon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to stay notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, like I was saying, I'm gonna take you all around Bend, and we're gonna start off in one of my favorite spots, and that's on Galveston Street. Every day we're helping people move and relocate to the Bend area. So if you had any thoughts about moving, please call me, text me, or email me. It literally does not matter. And you can rely on us because we got your back when moving to the Bend area. All right, so the west side of Bend is actually where most of the action happens. That's where you'll see most of the breweries, the good restaurants, the coffee shops, literally anything that is popular around town usually happens on this west side, and Galveston is one of the main hubs for that. It has 10 Barrel Brewing, has Sun River. It's where I spend a lot of time because I live on this side of town. And it's definitely one of those attraction points, so I want to make sure to show you guys this first. So let's make our way down and I'll kind of film some of my favorite spots and you'll get a good look at those. So we have Megaphone Coffee right here, awesome coffee and beer, a food truck that's usually open right here, and we also have Sun River Brewing. So as you can see, Galveston has a lot of the main attractions. It's somewhere that a lot of the people spend here, the residents, the tourists, everyone. And it's a super busy street all year round. While we're out and about and walking, Galveston is actually right off of a bunch of different neighborhoods. And these neighborhoods consist of a lot of like 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom homes that have either been around for a long time and been renovated, or there's also some new construction that's being built up literally daily. So it's crazy how many people are coming in here and refabbing these homes back up. And it's a really cool spot for families, people that are coming in for a second or third home and just want to be close to the action. You can literally just walk to either your work, you can bike to work, you can walk to the restaurants. This is literally right up there is Galveston, right where those cars are driving and turning onto. And these are these people's homes. Tons of options for smaller housing and fixer up real estate right here off of Galveston. And that's one thing the west side can offer you. If you're looking to kind of refab a house up or make it your own or add something or subtract something, you can buy a home in this area and really fix it up to exactly what you want. I know a few people and clients that have done that to their own homes, and something that I really recommend because you get exactly what you want in one of the best locations, minutes away from all the best stuff in Bend. All right, so we're gonna hop back in the car now, and I'm gonna take you literally a 2-minute drive straight to downtown Bend and show you what's going on this Saturday night. Arrived in downtown Bend. Literally no drive and we are already there. I'm sure many of you have seen this site. It's one of the more unique sections of Bend. All right, so we just got to downtown Bend. Before I get on the streets though and show you around the area and what's going on right now, this is what is right behind it, and I had to show you guys this because this is one of the best parts of living in Bend. Where else are you gonna find this view right next to your downtown area? So this is the Deschutes River flowing through. As you can see, there are some river properties over there. That's a super desirable location for a lot of people. And those homes generally don't come on the market very often, so when they do, it is a big deal. But seriously guys, right up here there's the Pine Tavern, which is one of the oldest restaurants in Bend. One of my favorite bike stores is right there. You have the classic Bend Tower right in front of us, and just a classic little park right here. So now I'm gonna take you guys up and show you a little bit about what's going on right now in the streets. It's a Saturday night, people are out. We got all the shops lined up. And this is just one of my favorite parts about Bend, is the downtown section with all the really cool street life, people out and about. Oregon Body and Bath. This is kind of the end of Wall Street, which is the main street in Bend. You also have a Patagonia store there. Now we're gonna turn around, we're gonna go to the opposite side of Wall Street and show you what's happening on the other side. This is your casual night, especially on the weekends. Bend is super busy with people coming in and out. The restaurants are always packed. You usually want to make a reservation because the restaurants fill up quickly. But there's tons to do in downtown, and that hasn't even gotten to the Old Mill or the Box Factory yet. So this corner right here is Wallen, Minnesota. This is a super popular spot. It's kind of like the meeting point of most of the shops in Bend. Down here we have more retail spots. You have Fall Raven, Birkenstock, those types of shops. And then coming down Minnesota, you have more restaurants and stuff like that. So like I said before, you have everything down here. All right, so we're gonna finish our tour in the downtown section, and we're gonna move to the Box Factory next. All right, so moving through Bend, we are now approaching the Box Factory, which is right in front of us here. Got Strictly Organic right behind me, which is one of my favorite coffee shops. And I'm just gonna take you on a quick tour, show you some of my favorite spots around here, and what you would find in the Box Factory when you live here. Coming up, this is the Box Factory right here. There's a bunch of different shops and stuff in it. You have Riff Coffee, you have Bespoke, you have Danner Boots here. For those of you that love drinking and just having a good time at the bar, you have Ripple Pig Saloon, which is super popular for anyone and everyone in Bend, whether you're a tourist or just a regular here. We're gonna cross the street real quick. It's loud over there, but I'll show you guys the best I can. So we're coming up on the Podski now. This is a super cool new spot. It's got food carts. This little enclosed area over here with beer. So super packed on a Saturday night. You can sit in here and have beer. On the other side, you have Immersion Brewing. And if you guys are familiar with Drew Bledsoe, he has a new spot. It's actually his own wine that he does. And across the street, you have River Pig Saloon. So tons of options in this little area. And it just keeps going. So we're gonna walk over. Now I'm gonna go show you guys the other side that has some more of my favorite spots. It sounds repetitive, but I have a lot of favorite spots, and there's a lot of really cool places in Bend, so I thought I'd show you them all real quick. So a brand new spot that you can probably see right in front of here is the Crosscut Tap House, and that has a few food carts as well. It's got a bunch of different brews on tap. And an insider tip for you also is next to the Spring Hill Suites Marriott. If you're visiting or planning on visiting here, that is a great spot to check out. And just another pop-up right here in Bend. So we haven't even made it to the Old Mill yet, but you guys can tell just right away how much stuff there is to do. I've been to the two main areas other than the Old Mill, and it's just unlimited amounts of stuff to do. It's crazy. So the last location we're at is the Old Mill District, and you've probably been here. If you've ever visited, it's a super popular area for tourists. And if you guys don't know this, before Bend blew up, it was actually a mill district. It was a big woodworking and timber city. Sorry, there's music right next to me. But you can literally tell, here's REI, has the big mill stacks on top. Super iconic Bend scene here. and tons of restaurants and more stuff and more shops for you guys. Continuing on down the old mill, you have a bunch more shops. You have Ben and Jerry's, as well as Real, if you want to enjoy a movie or two at the movie theater. But I think we're going to finish up the video here. I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you have any suggestions, please just make sure to comment down below, and I'll do my best to film every video I get suggested for. Alright guys, so that's going to finish up my video. I really hope you enjoyed this tour around Bend and at least got some info or value from it. I kind of showed you guys the 3 hot spots in downtown Bend, the Box Factory, and the Old Mill District. And those are the main 3 shopping districts, and they offer the most restaurants and stores. But I'll also be showing you guys a bunch of the different homes around here, the parks. Anything you guys want to know about, just comment down below and I will make a video all about that. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell to stay notified every time I post a new video. And if you have any thoughts about moving or relocating to these areas, call me, text me, or email me, and I will get right back to you. And you can rely on me because I got your back on moving to the Bend area. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.